Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. In this video, I'm going to share a few clothing pieces from a website called dearlover.com. I will have the website link in the description box. So basically, it is a wholesale website that has a huge variety of products from tops to dresses, denims, and some really cool winter wear. They also have lingerie and swimwear, and they have a huge variety of colors and designs for each item. So there is definitely something for everyone. Also, since it's a Chinese website, the style of clothing that they have is very similar to that of Shein, Wish or AliExpress, only for a cheaper price, but that does not mean that the quality is not good. Their clothing items are really affordable because Dear Lover is a wholesale website, and because the pricing is so low for the quality and the finish, you can order in bulk from them and start your own business. The minimum order on their website is 99 USD, and you will get a lot of items in that amount. Or you can also order from their dropside shipping website where they provide lower minimum order quantity. I will have the link to that in the description box as well. So if you do not want to order a lot of items, then you can definitely shop using that link. That is how I ordered my clothing pieces. This website also supplies to some Amazon and Shopify site sellers. Now coming to customs, you might have to pay customs. It can be anything between $10 to $20 depending on the size of your order. I had to pay around $16 for customs, and I also had to submit my KYC documents in order to get my order. Even though it was an international shipment, the parcel arrived really quickly, like within 7 to 8 days after placing the order. So let's start with the haul. So everything came in this really huge packet. I had to open this one up in order to see if I had received all the items. And each item came in these individual Ziploc bags. So I will definitely give them a thumbs up for the packaging. These bags are also really useful while traveling. So I've taken everything out of their Ziploc packets and arranged them so that the video doesn't become too long. The first item that I want to show is the one that I'm wearing. It's a navy blue color full sleeves maxi dress with buttons running down the front. It has slits on both the sides, and it also has a collar and two mock pockets in the front. The pockets are not functional, they are just for show. This maxi dress came with a belt that can be used to cinch the waist since it's a long plain dress. This dress also comes in two other colors. The fabric feels really soft and comfortable. This does not feel cheap quality at all. The finishing is also really good. But this dress is a little loose on me since I ordered a size up, because I didn't want to order something that won't fit me. So I just ordered a size up. But if you're shopping from them, please make sure that you follow the size chart, and this dress is true to size. I will mention the prices of each product along with the product links in the description box. Next, I ordered 3 tops. This is the first one. This is a button-down striped shirt with full sleeves. This has black, brown, white and orange stripes. I really like that the shirt has a formal vibe to it, so I can dress it up or down according to the occasion. And the fabric is really comfortable and very soft. It is not a very cheap synthetic fabric. This fabric also doesn't get creased really easily, so which is great. And also most of the shirts that I've ordered in the past have turned out to be a little translucent, but this fabric is not translucent at all, so you need not wear a camisole inside, and this one will look really nice tucked into a pair of black trousers. So the next item that I have is another shirt with ruffled belt sleeves. It's a beautiful army green color with buttons running down the front. It also has a collar. This also comes in a variety of different colors that you can choose from. I have styled this with a pair of distressed denims. You can also open a few buttons from below and tie a knot to make it more interesting. The fabric again feels really soft and comfortable. All the products that I had ordered are really well made, and the quality is amazing. So this is the third item. The next item is also a shirt. It's this floral printed shirt with full sleeves. This one is so a greyish green in color. with these bright floral prints. It has buttons running down and a collar. Again, great quality. You can style it by tucking it in and rolling up the sleeves. And this one will work with denims as well as trousers. So next I ordered this pair of blue denims. It has slight distressing, like you can see here. The ends also have this unfinished look. And this is also high-waisted and it's so comfortable and really stretchy. So for this also I ordered a size up. So don't make that mistake. Follow the size chart. The products are absolutely true to size. So you will have no issues with it. And this is extremely stretchable. So this will fit you. So moving on to the last and my favorite item is this jacket. It's a camel color filled jacket with a faux fur collar. This also has a golden zip in front and 2 zips at the sides. For pockets, the zip is really good quality and there is lining inside which makes the jacket extremely warm and comfortable. This also comes in a black and green color. I liked all the colors but I like this one the best, so I ordered this. And the quality of this is really good. I haven't noticed any shedding of the fur, so which is amazing. And this is extremely soft and comfortable. And this one was also very affordable. I definitely can't wear this in Kolkata, but I can use it when I go for some holiday sometime to some hill station. So I will keep this for that. So these were all the items from my small little haul. I liked all the pieces and I will highly recommend that you check out this website. I will definitely shop from them again. So I will have all the links of the products and the website links and everything, all the different details in the description box. So make sure that you check the description box. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for future video notifications. All my social media details will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.